Hi everyone. Today I'll show you two AI workflows I personally use to create high quality website designs. AI can now build websites and apps very quickly. We recently saw how to build Android apps using AI, but there is still one big problem. Most AI generated websites look the same. They have that common AI software look. The spacing feels similar, the cards look similar, the gradients look similar, and if you have used enough AI tools, you can easily tell that the website was generated by AI. So in this video, I'll show you two tools that can help you create better website designs with AI. These are useful if you want your website to look more polished, more modern, and less generic. Let's get started. Method 1. Use Google's AI design tool. The first tool is Google Stitch. This is a design-focused AI tool from Google. It uses Gemini models, but it is made more for creating app and website layouts. You can use simple natural language prompts to generate designs. But one thing you should know, the output can be hit or miss. If your prompt is too basic, the design may look average. But if your prompt is detailed, it can create a much better layout. So first, open the tool and sign in. On the home screen, you will see options to create app layouts and web page layouts. For this video, I am going to create a website layout. Let's take a restaurant website as an example. I can simply type create a modern and fresh looking portfolio website. But if you want better results, don't stop there. You can mention the type of site, color style, font preference, layout style, sections you want, and the feeling you want the design to create. For example, you can say, create a modern portfolio website with a fresh visual style with font and styles. If you are not good at writing prompts, you can use ChatGPT first. Ask ChatGPT to improve your prompt and make it more detailed. Once your prompt is ready, paste it into Google Vice. Now select the model. If you want faster output, you can choose the Flash model. But for better design quality, I personally prefer 3.1 Pro that gives better visual results even if it takes a little longer. Now tap Generate. Google Stitch will open a dedicated design page. Here, you can scroll through the generated design similar to how you move around in Figma. It will also show design elements, components, and layout suggestions used in the interface. Now wait for a few minutes while it generates the website. As you can see, the design already looks better than a normal AI generated website. The colors are cleaner, the layout is more structured, the page feels more intentional. Once the design is ready, you can continue improving it. You can ask it to create more pages like About, Contact, Privacy Policy, or Menu page. The best part is that it tries to maintain the same design language across pages. You can also change the theme, try different layout options, or switch the model if you want a different output. Now once the design is ready, you have multiple export options. You can export page images, you can copy the code, you can download the project, you can move it to tools like Figma, Google AI Studio, Netlify, Lovable, or GitHub. You can also copy the full code and continue building the website in your own IDE. So this first workflow is good when you want both design and working code together. Method 2. Use ChatGPT image generation for UI design. The second method is my favorite. You can use ChatGPT image generation to create high quality UI designs. This is one of the easiest ways to create website concepts that look different from normal AI generated websites. Here's how I use it. Open ChatGPT and tap on the image and enter the prompt. In this case, let's ask ChatGPT to create the same website idea and give it to Stitch. Create a modern portfolio website, use DM Sans font, use a black and white theme, and ensure the max font size is 400. Depending on the model and your connection, it may take a few seconds or a minute. Once the image is ready, you can review the design. In many cases, the design looks more polished and more creative than website builders and even any AI design tools. Now the best part is this. You can ask ChatGPT to generate more pages using the same design style. For example, you can say, create an about page using the same design style. You don't always need to explain the full theme again. ChatGPT can usually follow the same visual direction from the previous design. If it creates the page in dark mode and you want light mode, just ask it to regenerate in light mode. Once the design image is ready, download it. Then you can give that image to another AI coding tool or developer and ask them to convert it into a working website. This is very useful because you are not starting from a generic text prompt. You are giving the AI a clear visual reference. That improves the final website quality. My recommendations. If you want fast website design with code, use Google Wise. If you want better visual direction and more creative UI ideas, use ChatGPT image generation. The best workflow is to combine both. First, create the design direction in ChatGPT as an image. Then use that image as a reference in your website builder or for Stitch. This gives you better design quality and also helps you avoid the common AI website look. So finally, these two workflows can help you create websites that look more polished and less generic. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want, comment on what website you are trying to build. I'll try to share a better prompt for it.